If you want to set up a remote on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we need to go to the app drawer and we need to find the MI Remote app. So we're going to open it. Now in here we need to press Add Remote, either this button over here or the plus in the upper right corner. In here we need to choose what device we want to add on our phone. So let's say I'm going to choose TV as an example. Now in here we can search for our brand that we have. So we can either go through this list, choose one of these popular brands, or you can use the search field at the top. In my case, I'm going to choose Samsung. Then over here, we need to keep answering to questions that appear on the phone. So over here, we need to tap on. We need to point the remote at TV and tap buttons. So over here, we can just use the button that is being displayed over here. And then we can see if the button worked. So you should be able to see in real time, of course, immediately if that button worked or not. And if it didn't, then of course you want to tap on the no, and you want to keep going until you find the correct button. And then you should be able to add the remote to your phone. And in the case of POCO X8 Pro, you just have to point the top side of the phone towards your device. And in the case of Pro Max, you have to point the back of the phone towards your device, because the infrared sensor is actually located at the back of the phone. Leave a like and subscribe.